Hey, beautiful souls. It's time we talk about something that unites us all, those moments when our bodies remind us of our incredible strength. But let's be real, it's not all roses and rainbows. I'm talking about those days when even the tiniest ache can feel like a battle. Those days when our bodies whisper a powerful message that we can't ignore. Welcome to a conversation that's raw, real, and absolutely necessary. Today, we're diving deep into the world of period cramps. Whether you're a warrior who's battled these cramps for years, or someone who's just beginning to understand their language, this video is for you. We're not shying away from the pain, the tears, and the challenges that come with it. Because guess what? These cramps, they're not just physical sensations. They're a symphony of emotions, strength, and stories that connect us all. But here's the thing: while we can't erase the cramps entirely, we've got an arsenal of natural remedies that can help you face them head-on. Imagine finding comfort in the warmth of herbal teas, discovering relief in the gentlest of stretches, and empowering yourself with knowledge that could transform your monthly experience. Get ready to embark on a journey where self-care isn't just a buzzword, but a practice that can turn those moments of discomfort into moments of empowerment. It's time to rewrite the narrative, to transform pain into power, and to remind ourselves that even in the face of challenges, we're capable of incredible resilience. So, my warriors, are you ready? Ready to reclaim your narrative, ready to embrace the beauty within your strength, and ready to stand united as we navigate the realm of period cramps together? If your heart's racing and your curiosity's piqued, then hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this transformative journey. Because it's about time we rewrite the story of period cramps from pain to power. Let's dive in. Part 1: Understanding period cramps. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what causes those dreaded period cramps. Menstrual cramps, or dysmenorrhea, occur due to the contraction of the uterus muscles to help shed its lining. This can lead to pain, discomfort, and even nausea for some. Part 2: Herbal teas for relief. Let's start with our first remedy, herbal teas. Brew yourself a soothing cup of chamomile, ginger, or peppermint tea. These herbs have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help relax your muscles and alleviate cramps. How to make: boil water and add a teaspoon of your chosen herb, chamomile, ginger, or peppermint. Let it steep for about 5–10 minutes. Sip and enjoy the warmth and relief. Part 3: Heat therapy. Heat therapy is a classic method to ease period cramps. Applying heat helps increase blood flow and relaxes tense muscles. How to do it: grab a heating pad or a hot water bottle. Place it on your lower abdomen or lower back. Keep it on for 15–20 minutes. Ah, the comfort of warmth. Part 4: Gentle exercise. Exercise might be the last thing on your mind, but trust me, gentle movements can work wonders. Yoga and light stretching can help release tension and improve blood circulation. How to do it: choose yoga poses like child's pose, cat-cow, and the pigeon pose. Perform each pose for about 5–7 breaths. Breathe deeply and feel the tension melt away. Part 5: Essential oils massage. Essential oils can be your best friend during those painful days. Lavender, clary sage, and rosemary oils are known for their muscle-relaxing properties. How to do it: mix a few drops of your chosen essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil. Gently massage the oil onto your lower abdomen. Enjoy the calming aroma and the soothing effect. Part 6: Hydration and nutrition. Staying hydrated and nourished is key. Go for foods rich in magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients can help reduce inflammation and ease cramps. How to do it: incorporate foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish into your diet. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated throughout the day. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to treating period cramps at home, using natural remedies. Remember, every body is different, so feel free to try different methods to find what works best for you. Don't let period cramps hold you back. Take control and enjoy your days to the fullest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay strong and stay well. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care.